Hare Krishna. This is the Bhajan Kutir of Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. This is a place called Kolodweep in Navdeep. So Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj lived in this world for 150 years. In this initial part, he was staying in Suryakund, Vrindavan, and then he came to Navdeep for the later part of his life. So Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj is also called Siddha Baba because he had a lot of mystic powers. So it is explained that when he was very old, his servant Bihari Das would carry him on a basket because he couldn't walk. But when Bihari Das would carry him and keep him on his head, Babaji Maharaj would become like a feather, light like a feather. So one time there's a very interesting story of how he actually had mystic powers. So once he was here in this place, and he started to take a stick and started to shoo some goats away. He started to beat the stick on the ground, and all the devotees were asking, Babaji Maharaj, what are you doing? So he said that the goats are eating the bushes in Radhakund. I am shooing them away. So he was sitting here and shooing the goats away in Radhakund. So the devotees actually found out at that time there were goats in Radhakund eating some bushes. So this was the power of Babaji Maharaj. He could actually know what is happening in holy places like Radhakund. Another very important lesson in the story is there is a connection between Navdeep and Vrindavan Dham. So whatever happens here, you can actually see it happening there also. So Babaji Maharaj is also called Sarvabhauma, Vaishnava Sarvabhauma. He was considered to be the topmost Vaishnava when he was living in this world in Jagannath Puri, Vrindavan, Navdeep, all the places. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he would come here and receive instructions from Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. So sometimes Babaji Maharaj would go to the house of Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Godrum Dweep and meet him there. So Babaji Maharaj had so much love for the residents of the Dham. One time he was having prasad here and some dogs came to eat food from his plate and his servant started to shoo them away. But Babaji Maharaj told them, don't do that because these dogs are residents of the Dham. So he had great respect for even the dogs of this holy place. So there are so many things to be spoken about Babaji Maharaj, and most important pastime is, it is because of him we have Yoga Peeth. People in those days would consider to be the birthplace of Mahaprabhu to be in Navdeep, but Bhaktivinoda Thakur discovered it to be in Yoga Peeth, Mayapur, and to confirm that he took Babaji Maharaj. And Bihari Das took Babaji Maharaj on a basket. He couldn't even open his eyelids. But as soon as he reached that place, he started to jump in the air and said, Ehi to Nimaira Janmabhumi. This is the birthplace of Nimai Pandit. So therefore his pranam mantra is Gaur Avirbhav Bhumestvam Nirdesya Sajjanapriya Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Shri Jagannathaya Te Namaha. So we offer obeisances to Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, because of whom we have this birthplace of Mahaprabhu discovered for all of us by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and he is Vaishnava Sarvabhauma, the topmost, the chief of all Vaishnavas. So our respects to the lotus feet of Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. So this is his Bhajan Kutir. So previously there was a Keli Kadamba tree here, below which he would sit and chant all his rounds. So can you imagine how powerful this place is? This is where Babaji Maharaj would sit and do his bhajan. And also we have darshan of Babaji Maharaj's samadhi and his worshipable deities. Hare Krishna.
So beautifully you narrated everything.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
From where you are?
From Goa.
Very nicely.
Thank
We were just confused. The name of the servant.
Bihari.
Bihari.
Das.
Who carries in the
Basket. Yeah.
basket.
Yeah.
And then Bhaktivinoda Thakur was with him, na? When he searched the place.
Yeah. Bhaktivinoda Thakur took him.
Took him.
Come here. Yeah.
Yes. And searched the real place of birthplace of Mahaprabhu.
Yoga Peeth.
Yoga Peeth.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So nice.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So I'll show you all darshan of the Samadhi Mandir and the deities of Babaji Maharaj. So Babaji Maharaj also was called Siddha Baba. He was locally known as Siddha Baba. So this is his Samadhi there. These are his Japmala that he would chant on. Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj ki jai. Seeking the blessings of Babaji Maharaj. These are his worshipable deities, Gaur Gopal and Giridhari, served by Babaji Maharaj. Very beautiful deities. Can't see it very clearly from here, but very beautiful darshan. Shri Shri Gaur Gopal, Radha Giridhari ki jai, Gaur Nitai ki jai. So here you can see this very famous story. Okay, I didn't tell you all the story. So one time, this is his servant Bihari Das carrying Babaji Maharaj. So when he was coming from Vrindavan to Navdeep, they had to cross a jungle, and in those days jungle were actually jungles, very ferocious animals. So there was a tiger that started to follow them, started to walk with them, and Bihari Das got very scared. What to do now? So Babaji Maharaj asked him, why are you scared? He said, there's a tiger. So Babaji Maharaj said, don't worry, Mahaprabhu has sent this tiger to escort us out of the jungle. And this tiger walked along with them till the end of the jungle and then went away. He didn't do anything. So therefore, he is called Siddha Baba. This was his power. Gaur Kishodas Babaji Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Kolodip Dham ki jai.